Welcome to the Olin Science Center, where you'll find our faculty offices for the biology and computer science departments, as well as some of our biology labs. The first biology course that you will take is an introduction to the principles of biology. So instead of looking at things like how DNA gets turned into RNA to protein, or how populations evolve, from kind of the generic textbook perspective, our professors take a mathematical and computational perspective. The reason why they do that is because mathematical and computational tools have become much more important to research in biology, and also because Harvey Mudd College is the first college to offer the mathematical and computational biology major. So we like to include some of these principles starting from day one.
No matter what you end up majoring in here at Mudd, you're going to take bio because it's part of our core curriculum. The profs in biology know that by the time you're going to take their course in the spring, you've already taken your intro computer science course, which you take in the fall. So your homework for the course most likely isn't going to be, what's a mitochondria? And then you say, oh, it's a powerhouse of the cell. It's going to be more like, write a Python program to simulate population dynamics over time and visualize them using MATLAB. If none of those words sound familiar to you, don't worry, they will be after a semester or two at Mudd. If you decide to be a bio major after that, know you have a lot of options for interdisciplinary study. You can be a biochem major, you can do biocomputer science, you can do biocomputer science math, and if you're an engineer, you can specialize in bioengineering. There's a lot of options for interdisciplinary study.
Harvey Mudd College offers a computer science major, which I would like to distinguish from a programming or coding major. And the reason for that distinction is because while the students are learning how to program in different languages and how to write code and how to make software, they're also learning some of the theory behind computer science. So they're taking courses in algorithms. They're also learning about how computer hardware works and how that all comes together. Along the way, you'll also be doing tons of group projects. So for example, we have a course where you'll make an app with a team of students. So while you're programming, you're also learning to document your code properly and how to communicate that and how to debug as a team. And it's a lot of fun.
Here at Mudd, computer science is obviously one of our strengths. But one of the ways we do that is by making sure everybody has equal access and feels just as strongly if they have no experience in computer science coming in as someone coming in with a few years of computer science. That's why even though there's only one core computer science requirement in computer science, there's 3 different levels of it that you can place into. If you have little to no experience, you're going to be placed into CS5 Gold automatically. Awesome course. Everybody who takes it loves it. CS5 Black, you might place into that if you have a little bit more experience. Maybe you're taking 1 or 2 years of computer science. And then if you have way more experience, you can place into CS42. But there's no need to worry about placing in or up or out or any of that because every course in computer science here has a huge emphasis on theory rather than the details of learning a specific language. So you will learn to program in Python in your intro courses and assembly language as well a little bit. You'll delve into various languages, but more important than the itty-bitty details of each of those languages are the concepts that are at the heart of computer science. So what it means to sort through a list, how your hardware might limit your software capabilities, your runtime of certain operations. Things like that, they're at the heart of computer science. You get to know them really well and then you can apply them to any language you need to later down the road. That's kind of the philosophy behind the computer science department here and what makes our department so successful.